Hey, taking these clamps off, it doesn't suck that bad. They're kind of scary sometimes. You can call it an oetiker or a pinch type clamp. Basically, you just have to get under where it folded over right here. And the easiest way to do it is really just with these side snips or Dykes type of pliers. So if you can get underneath the ear and just catch on something else, like usually I just try to squeeze it in there and catch both sides. It's squeezed, and then that's it. And then it popped off its little clips. You rip it off, and you're good. And then it pulls off. To reinstall one, you can use the correct pliers, which are these pinch type pliers, but you really don't have to spend the money on these things if you don't want to. They're pretty tough, dude. You can use these same pliers, grab them right there and squeeze them up. So you've already got the tool, now you're clamped.